Thinking about our final arrangements is never easy, but ensuring peace of mind for our loved ones is a profound act of care. For our esteemed veterans and their families, understanding available support can make all the difference during a challenging time. So, do Department of Veterans Affairs burial benefits cover all funeral expenses? The straightforward answer is no. Department of Veterans Affairs burial benefits generally do not cover every single funeral and burial expense. Instead, they provide specific financial allowances and services designed to help alleviate the costs for eligible veterans and their families. The coverage provided by the Department of Veterans Affairs depends significantly on several factors, primarily the cause of death and the chosen place of burial. For instance, if a veteran's death is service-connected, meaning it was directly related to their military service, the Department of Veterans Affairs offers a higher plot or interment allowance, which is a payment to cover the cost of the burial plot itself, and an allowance for other funeral expenses. Currently, this can be up to $2,000 for service-connected deaths. If the death is not service-connected, but the veteran was receiving Department of Veterans Affairs compensation or pension at the time of death, or died in a Department of Veterans Affairs facility, the allowances are typically lower, around $406 for a burial and $406 for a plot. These amounts are adjusted periodically. Additionally, burial in a national cemetery or certain state veterans cemeteries is often free of charge for eligible veterans, their spouses, and dependent children. This includes the plot, opening and closing of the grave, a grave liner, and perpetual care. However, expenses like a funeral home services, embalming, cremation costs, or a wake are usually not fully covered by these allowances. The Department of Veterans Affairs also provides a headstone, grave marker, or medallion at no cost, and a presidential memorial certificate. To access these benefits, the person who paid for the funeral and burial expenses, or the funeral home, can apply using Department of Veterans Affairs Form 21-5003, which is the application for burial benefits. It is crucial to have the veteran's discharge papers, a certified death certificate, and a detailed statement of account from the funeral home available. Applications generally need to be filed within 2 years from the date of the veteran's permanent burial or cremation. Gathering these documents ahead of time can streamline the process for your family during a very difficult period. It is also worth noting that many states offer additional veterans benefits, which might include further burial assistance or special veteran cemeteries with their own specific allowances. These state-level programs can provide an extra layer of support beyond the federal Department of Veterans Affairs benefits, so researching options within your state is a smart move. Furthermore, reaching out to a veteran service organization, or VSO, can be incredibly helpful. Organizations like the American Legion or Veterans of Foreign Wars often have accredited representatives who can assist families with understanding and applying for these benefits at no charge. Ultimately, while Department of Veterans Affairs burial benefits provide substantial and dignified support, they are generally designed to assist with, rather than completely cover, all associated costs. Proactive planning and a clear understanding of what is covered, and under what circumstances, empowers families to make informed decisions and ensures that a veteran's final arrangements honor their service without imposing an undue financial burden. Knowing these details now can bring immense peace of mind for both veterans and their families.